Hey. Hey. Are we going somewhere fun? Keep going. Hi. So, I'm about to go to the movies. We're about to go to the movies, baby. There's no lighting on me. We're gonna go see so hopefully you could read that. Where are we? I'm gonna show you guys my snacks I have. So, here's my snacks. You might be like, what the heck is that? I'll tell you. We have about like 5 pieces of mango, dried mango. An apple I started to eat, but then I stopped because I was like, wait, I should eat this at the movies. So I put it in the paper. And that's my movie snacks. I'm a little early, which kind of never happens, so I guess we'll just go in and get a good seat. I guess we'll just go in and get a good seat. Theater to myself. Maybe I should have gone closer. I'm gonna go feel how it is closer. Let's feel. Oh shoot, it's wet. It's just a little too low. Oh. The closer you are, it's too low.
I'm talking about crammed in there tight.
Okay. Just finished the movie. That was actually really good. I literally just finished it, so I might not even use this because I'm still kind of thinking. But can I just say, Sean Penn's performance in that? What the freak? Oh my gosh, he played... he's the most vile, detestable, disgusting, pathetic, literally the most disgusting and pathetic character. Like, my skin crawled of how not only like evil but like pathetic. Like, it was just like, and he did so good because he's played roles where he's not like that disgusting and pathetic, obviously, because he's an actor, and he's a great one because whoa, low-key Oscar, because that's how much I hated that character. I mean, that's how disgusting that character was, and like, he needs an Oscar for that. Leonardo DiCaprio is so fascinating to watch because he's reached a point in his profession where it's like he's so free. Like, you can tell when an actor feels free in a movie and when they don't feel free, and it's just like pure freedom in his acting because he's comfortable to have fun and play, and the movie was actually quite funny randomly, even though it's like terribly sad and heart-wrenching, and yeah, go see it. I don't want to spoil it, but heavy. It's like really heavy. A lot of political and racial tensions, and he just played the character so funny. And I'm just amazed at his performance in that. Tiana Taylor, oh my gosh, she's amazing. I can't. I don't want to spoil it because it literally just came out, so I don't want to talk about it. But what else was I going to say? Oh, okay. Low-key, Paul Thomas Anderson is in my brain. Pause, because wait, not pause, but anyway. Number one, they filmed in a hotel like I grew up going to, and I was like, is that it? It totally is. I literally could tell by the freaking parking lot. So that was like really cool to see because it deserves to be filmed in. It's a really beautiful hotel. Also, once I heard her name was Perfidia, I thought of my favorite song, and they played it. I don't know if it's my favorite song of all time, but it's definitely been probably my favorite song of the year. Perfidia, specifically by Los Panchos. I mean, it just... I'm so happy. That song is... I'm sure it's like probably more... Everything's always more popular than I even realize. Everything's always more popular than I realize because I'm a freaking child, but to just have one of your favorite songs used cinematically, in like not only just cinematically but like cinematically, like, oh, it's the name of the main lady in the movie. And spoiler alert, they played my favorite song. Okay, anyway, I was just like, no freaking way, because I knew it when they named her that. I was like, oh, that's like my song. And then they played my favorite version. I don't know, it's just so, that's like sometimes like movie magic is like that. Like sometimes that is the magic of movies, when like your life and the movie intertwines in maybe one way or a few ways. It's so cool. It's just so cool. It just makes the movie experience so much more meaningful, and it doesn't happen all the time, obviously, but it's really dope when it does happen. It's awesome. Anyway, that movie was freaking long. I gotta go.
6 of those hours, but I watched a bunch of movies at once. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm using this plate to put my underpainting mix on, and I'm laughing because obviously it's Tatooine, Luke's home, and I painted this when I was like low-key a little drunk. Not low-key or not a little, but it was so freaking funny painting this, and I'm not mad about it. It's like, it's kind of good. It's kind of not good, but it just makes me laugh. Like, what? Thoughts? That. Good times. I really should have primed the canvas a second time, but I didn't, so... Oh well. I hope... I don't know how much I did. Like that much. Rocky, get your nose out of here, bro. Get out of here! Get my coffee away from that.